Minecraft. This will be easy. Thank you. You think so? Gura. Yes, that's me. Look what I did. Look. Ta-da! Da-da-da-da-da-da-da! Yeah, there's something inside waiting for me. I thought, Meow! 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 I have several for you. Ah! Oh, it's so cute. Where are you hiding? Kisa! Hi! What is that? Is that a rabbit? Oh. Will you stand? Hey, come here! Oh no! I don't think they want to make baby. No. Yeah. And they don't want to. Hi! Oi, come here, you. Smug. So I am the owner for this cat. So this cat will follow me, and this cat will follow me. Not this cat. I feel like this cat will. Will you eat more? Will you follow me? Twinkle toes. Ah, okay. Oh, no petting. Please come here again. Come here. Ah. Okay. Hold on. You sit there. You sit there. I'm gonna get more salmon. Hello, I need to feed my children. I think I want to fill my shark house with cats. Where are the cats? There they are. Hello. If I feed him more, will he grow faster? Hi, you're so cute. Nom nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Alright. I think I gotta take care. He lies on the bed! That's amazing. I love this game. Guten Morgen. Guten Morgen. I gotta kill these chickens. They're lagging my game out.